In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your disabled Facebook account in 2023. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if due to some reasons your Facebook account was disabled and now you want to recover it, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar you need to type disabled Facebook account recovery and click on search. Now click on this second link that says my personal account was disabled. Okay, now enter your full name. Once you have done that, you need to upload a photo of some sort of identification by clicking on this choose file option. You can use any government provided ID such as passport, driving license or your identification card. Once you have uploaded the ID, scroll down and click on the send option. And after you click on send, within the next 24 hours, your permanently disabled Facebook account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.